Hello everyone, welcome back to my AK Coding YouTube channel. Today is the next lesson, and in this lesson we are going to learn an interesting topic which is called arrays. If you're ready, let's get started. So we'll be learning about arrays. So what are arrays in JavaScript? An array is a data structure used to store multiple values in a single variable. So we have an array and we have a single variable and we are saving multiple values inside of it. Arrays allow you to store values of different data types together in one collection. So we can, in one single variable, we can save multiple values with different data types. And declaring and initializing arrays, how it looks like. So arrays are zero indexed and the first element has an index of 0. As you can see here, we have a simple array. We are declaring a variable called fruits, and inside there are 3 types of data types, and they are strings and 3 types of multiple values. Let's write down here. So I'll be writing let, right? Maybe we can go, yep, let fruits, and we'll declare an array called, for example, apple. And the next maybe banana, and this is enough for us. So we have declared two values, and let's see this on the console. So as you can see, we are declaring, we are saving these 2 strings inside of this kind of brackets, like square brackets. So we can write fruits, and we'll be getting apple and banana as a string here. So this is working fine. So let's talk about accessing array elements. So we can access to array elements with array methods. There are push, pop, unshift, and shift. These are main array elements. The first one, array methods. The first one is push, which adds an item to the end of the array. So let's do this. So I'll be writing console fruits, and I will write dot push. Okay, let's write here maybe fruits dot push, and I will be writing here, for example, not string. I can add true, maybe another value, or let's add number, maybe 6. And if I run this, as you can see, after banana I'm getting 6. So we are pushing it. The next method is pop, removes the last item of the array. So currently we have 3 elements, right, with pushing. If I write fruits dot pop and nothing to write inside of it, right, it will pop the last element and it will be apple and banana. So it's removing the last element. So we have 100 elements, you want to remove the last element, so you will be removing the 100th of the element. And the next one is unshift. Unshift is a kind of method that adds an item to the beginning. So if push adds an item to the end of the array, unshift adds to the beginning one. So if I write instead of push, unshift, and we'll be getting 6 and apple. Yep, because we are using also pop to remove banana. So this is working also fine. Shift removes the first item. If I use this instead of pop shift, it's removing number 6 and apple and banana is being executed. So you understood what are push, pop, shift, unshift. So push and unshift looks like the same, shift and pop looks like the same. Shift removes from the first, unshift adds to the first, pop removes from the last, push adds to the last. Okay, so let's continue. So we have common array methods. As you can see here, then one of the common array methods called splice. What is splice? Splice adds or removes elements from a specific index. So as we said before, arrays starts from the 0 index, and we can remove or add the specific index. So with using splice, as you can see here, let, which is colors, and we have red, green, blue, and colors.splice, we are removing first element, which is green, and the first one, yes, which is green, yeah, and we're putting, instead of green, yellow, so green is being removed, and we are putting purple after that, after yellow and blue. As you can see here, it will be printing. So let's do this. I'm just comment this, and we have apple and banana, right? And I will be using splice here. So instead of banana, I'm going to add orange. I'm going to change this one. So what I'm going to write here, fruits.splice, and I'll be writing 0 and first, yes, first index should be first, and maybe let's write maybe first, yeah, and after that I'm adding orange and kiwi, and here I'm getting apple, orange, kiwi. I'm not getting banana. Yep, this is working fine. If I change this 1 to 0, so it's getting first element and second element, I mean apple, banana and apple is not being exhibited, only orange and kiwi will be same. Yes, oh yeah, apple, orange, kiwi and banana, like this. Apple, orange, kiwi and banana. So first index, which is banana, is being replaced, so it's going back, and we're seeing inside of it. So the next one is slice. Slice creates a sub-array which extracts a shallow copy of a portion of an array. So we have numbers inside from 1 to 5, and if I write numbers to slice from 1 to 4, it extracts elements from index 1 to 3, so not including 4. So we'll be getting 2, 3, 4, because the first element is 2, 3 and 4, right? 1, 2, 3. So it's getting 2, 3, 4. So let's write down here. So I'm going to write let numbers, and I'll be writing 1, 2, 3, 5, and I'll be writing here numbers dot slice, not splice, 1 to 4, and let's see the console numbers. And if I run this, we'll be getting not 1 to 4. Let me recheck this. Why we are getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Because yeah, it's not working fine. So we have to maybe sub array sub, and maybe you can change the sub. This should work actually. From 1 to 4, it will be 2, 3, 4. Yep, now it's fine, because we didn't declare a variable before that. It didn't work because slice needs to declare a variable first, and it doesn't work if it's not. So the next one, iterating through arrays. So using for loop or using for each method. So we know for loop how we can use it. So we have for loop, and we can iterate arrays even. So let's use for loop. So we have apple, banana and kiwi. Okay, let's take this, and I'm going to just remove this, and I'm going to add here orange and kiwi, and I'm going to use for loop here. So how can I use for let I will equal to 0, and from 0 index it means, so the 0 index is apple, I fruits dot length, so it will get the length of the fruits. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 until 5 it gets, and we'll be writing here console log fruits I. And if I write this, we'll be getting apple, banana, orange and kiwi like this without any issue. If I write 2 or 1, we'll not be getting apple, we're getting from banana, not orange, from banana. So we have this thing is coming up to us. The next one is using for each. So using for each method, a cleaner way to loop through arrays, it automatically passes the current element as an argument. So it means if we use for each for that, it automatically passes the current element as an argument. So this means the current element is fruits, I mean apple, banana, cherry, yeah, these three of the elements, and it passes as an argument to for each. So for example, fruits we are declaring and using for each, we are using function instead of the for each, and we are giving an argument called fruit, and when we console it fruit, so we'll be getting apple, banana, cherry. So how can we do this? Let's comment this for loop, and I'm doing this one in for each. I will write fruits dot for each and function, and we can write fruit, and we'll console the argument. I think we don't need this one actually. What kind of error we're getting? Let the copilot fix this. I didn't get to something. I did something. Okay, let's make this the down. Yep, it's not fixed. Okay. Aha, yeah, I forgot to put to this one. Okay, save. And let's see the console. Yep, we're getting same as for loop worked. Okay, so you understand the for each. Actually we can use also instead of function like this, we can use callback function like this, fruit. Yeah, it is called callback function or arrow function, so we're getting the same result without any issue. So advanced array methods, we have map and filter. So using map method, we can create a new array by applying a function to each element of the original array. It is really great for transforming data. For example, we have numbers which is called from 1 to 4, and when we are going to take doubled one, right, I mean as it's shown here, so this map method allows to us to get a new array by applying a function. So as you can see, numbers.map, we're using map method, and we're getting as an argument, and we are multiplying argument by 2 because we are getting doubled. So what we can do this here, so let's make this a bit smaller, and I'm going to just comment the other consoles I don't need, and I will just comment for each, and I'm going to create a new one, maybe not here, maybe for numbers, right? I'm going to create a new variable called doubled, and I will write numbers dot map and number equal to number multiplied by 2. And if I write console log doubled, I will be getting doubled one. So it will be 1 will be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So yeah, 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. Yeah, like 2 multiplied by 3, like that. So if I write this instead of 2, 5, we'll be getting 5 multiplied. So if we get 5 multiplied 1 is 5, 5 multiplied 2 is 10, 5 multiplied by 3 is 15, like this. So it depends. The next one is using filter method. So filter method creates a new array also with element that pass the condition in the provided function. So it means we can filter it by using some methods. So how can we filter them? Let's filter with even numbers. In order to do this, I'm going to just write this one, just comment this, and I will write instead of double, let's make it filtered, not filter. I'll write let filtered equals to numbers dot filter number percentage by 2 equal 0. Now we'll be getting the even numbers of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're getting only 2, 4 because we have 2 only. Yeah. So if I add 6, 10, and 12, we're getting all of them. 2, 4, 6, 10, 12. Okay, so you understand filter and map methods. You have an assignment coding challenge to do. Write a program to find the largest number in an array. So So I hope you learned something new. If you have any questions, just comment below. I hope you enjoyed this lesson, and don't forget to share with your friends and hit the subscribe button. See you in the next videos.